In this video, you'll learn how to create a group and add members in Slack. First, select the Launch option. Then, wait for a few moments. Then click Use Slack your browser. This will open Slack in your web browser. Once you're here, you'll see your channels. Next, and below them, you'll find the Direct Messages option. Click on Direct Messages. In the Add Channel interface, select the input field and choose contacts like Siam Digital Zone and Video Scripter 287 to invite to your new group. Now, review or adjust the invited members listed in the username field before continuing. Next, you can start sending messages in this group if you want. I'll type a message here. Finally, and click the Send button. As you can see, the message has been sent successfully, and a new group has been created. Now, whenever you click on the group, it will take you directly to that group conversation. You've now learned how to create a group and invite members in Slack.